Welcome to the Plickers tutorial presented to you by the University of Wyoming Extension's Communications and Technology team. This video is meant to provide a general overview of how to use Plickers within your extension program. Happy learning! Plickers is an online surveying and assessment tool. It is most used by K-12 educators, but can easily be adapted to our purposes for extension education as well. Just like many surveying and assessment tools, it does rely on the use of technology to gather data and information. But what makes this tool different is how the technology is used. With many other online polling or surveying systems, each user needs to have some sort of device that is hooked up to the internet, whether it's a cell phone or even a tablet. This can make it difficult to reach some of our audiences in extension who either don't have access to these devices or where internet access is limited. With Plickers, the only person who needs to access technology in the internet is the instructor. The audience will use what are called Plicker cards to record their answers to the survey or assessment questions that the instructor creates. They will not need to access technology whatsoever. Since many educators within Extension collect data to help determine the efficacy of their programs and classes, this tool has the potential to meet your needs in a modern and easy-to-use way. For those of you who think Plickers can be useful to your program, continue watching this video to learn how it all works. It will also be beneficial to work through your own Plickers account while following along. Creating a Plickers account is very easy and similar to creating pretty much any account on the internet today. The first thing you need to do is go to www.plickers.com.